Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. The newest model generations of Skoda Kodiaq and Superb continue Skoda's track record of 5-star evaluations. Skoda Kodiaq, 89% for adult occupant protection and 83% for child occupant protection. Skoda Superb, 93% for adult occupant protection and 87% for child occupant protection, making it the second safest car in the 2024 Euro NCAP rankings. Top ratings for the all-new model Skoda Kodiaq and Superb. Both models have achieved the maximum 5 stars in the independent Euro NCAP crash safety reference test. The Skoda Kodiaq achieved 84% of the total maximum points, while the Skoda Superb achieved 87% of the total maximum points. This result continues the string of top ratings for the Czech carmaker, even under the more stringent assessment criteria introduced in 2023. Each new Skoda model since 2008 has achieved a 5-star rating. It should be noted that both Skoda models are equipped with a wide range of state-of-the-art driving assistance systems that alert the driver to potential collisions in many situations and actively help to avoid or minimize them. These include front assist with predictive pedestrian and cyclist protection, side assist including rear traffic alert, as well as collision avoidance assist, turn assist, crossroad assist, and exit warning. Travel Assist actively supports the driver in longitudinal and lateral vehicle control and, together with Adaptive Cruise Control (ACC), also includes Adaptive Lane Assist with roadworks recognition, Crew Protect Assist, Traffic Jam Assist, and Emergency Assist. The new nano radar sensors positioned at the left and right corners of the front apron further enhance the performance of assistance systems such as Front Assist or Crossroad Assist. The new Attention and Drowsiness Assist system monitors the driver's behavior, assesses their potential level of fatigue, and if necessary, triggers visual and acoustic warnings in the virtual cockpit. If you enjoyed this review, be sure to like this video, subscribe to our channel for more exciting car reviews, and don't forget to share your thoughts on Skoda Kodiaq crash tests results in the comments below.